Unlock essential website security and boost user trust by installing your GoDaddy SSL certificate today. First things first, let's navigate to your GoDaddy account. Once logged in, you'll want to find the section that lists your purchased products. Look for your SSL certificates. This is where your newly acquired certificate will be waiting. On your SSL certificates page, locate the certificate you want to install. You should see an option to download or setup. For this tutorial, we'll assume you've already completed the initial setup and validation, so we'll proceed to download. When you click to download, GoDaddy will offer several server types. It's crucial to select the correct one that matches your hosting environment. If you're unsure, your hosting provider's documentation or support team can tell you which option to choose. Common choices include Apache, Nginx, or Plesk. After selecting your server type, proceed with the download. This will typically provide you with a zipped file containing your SSL certificate and its corresponding private key. You might also get an intermediate certificate bundle. Now, it's time to upload your certificate to your web hosting log into your hosting account's control panel. Many providers use tools like cPanel or Plesk. Once logged in, look for a section related to SSL TLS, security, or SSL certificates. Within the SSL TLS section, you'll find fields to input your certificate information. You'll need to extract the contents of the files you downloaded from GoDaddy. Paste the certificate code into the certificate or public certificate field. Next, locate your private key file and paste its entire content into the private key field. Remember, this key is sensitive, so ensure you're copying it correctly and keeping it secure. Finally, if you downloaded an intermediate certificate bundle, paste that content into the corresponding field, often labeled Certificate Authority Bundle or CABundle. This ensures your certificate is trusted across various browsers. Once all the information is entered, click the Install, Save, or Update Certificate button. Your hosting provider will then process the installation. You'll usually receive a confirmation message once it's complete. And there you have it. Your website is now secured with an SSL certificate from GoDaddy, displaying that vital padlock icon in the browser, letting your visitors know their data is protected and boosting your site's credibility.